Well, the calm before the storm, before it hits. Right now, we've actually had some snow, but not a lot. That the storm's supposed to really start cranking within an hour or so. It's a little after 11. Very cold out here. Not anything running, not even Amtrak will end up ceasing operations in New York and Connecticut, down east, because of the storm of the century, as they're calling it. This is the 5th major winter storm that's hit the Northeast since the 1993 one. As you can tell, it's very, very, very quiet, except for maybe 1 or 2 vehicles. The governor of Massachusetts issued a state of emergency for the whole Commonwealth. No unnecessary travel, and if you're caught traveling for an unnecessary reason, it's a $500 fine. And I'm one of the smart people. I ain't doing nothing until morning when I gotta go and clear the sidewalk at Burger King over in 1st Street. I'm staying home in my nice warm house, on the talking to, posting pictures and video on the internet. But as you could tell, that storm's going to hit us, and it's going to hit us with full force. There will be more video to follow of the 2015 storm of the 2015 blizzard in New England, in the Berkshires here.